Hi, I'm Amy Lacey. I'm the founder of Cali'flour Foods and the author of the Cali'flour Kitchen. I'm also one of 50 million people who have been diagnosed with an autoimmune disease. After I was diagnosed, it was my mission to take unhealthy foods and make them healthy again. I'm a mom of 3 kids and we love pizza, so it was natural for me to start with pizza. I love our cauliflower pizza crust because we use fresh cauliflower, mozzarella cheese, eggs, and spices. And we have a dairy-free option as well. One of my favorite recipes in the Cali'flour Kitchen cookbook is the Artichoke Spinach dip pizza. Every holiday season, my mom makes the spinach and artichoke dip, but she puts it in a bread bowl, and I can no longer have it in a bread bowl. So I love using this popular recipe on our pizza crust. Not only does it remind me of the holidays, but it really brings back a lot of childhood memories.